Getting ready to make a Ebleskiver skewer again, and this time we're using the recipe from Veganosity. I believe the pan has been seasoned a good 5 times now. See how beautiful it looks? Not the pristine metallic look that it came with. So I'm just going to follow the recipe. I'll give you the link, but this is more about the experience with the pan. So the making of the batter is secondary here. Okay, the batter is made, and as I said before, this is not about the making of the batter. It is about the use of the... Ooh, that was weird. Hang on. This is me using a tripod to try to get a better view. And I'm heating this up nicely. So let me add the vanilla, because last time I forgot the vanilla until the end, but you can watch as my pan heats up. And then I'm just mixing. So the batter is a little on the stiffer side. That happened with the last one too. And so I'll just show you what the consistency of this batter from the Veganosity website looks like. Okay, so that's the batter. It's not runny. And then I saw in the in one of the things that they use these ice cream scoops for measuring out the amount of mix to put in, and I thought that was kind of nice. Now when you add the oil, so it's been heating for a little bit, let me see. So when you add the oil, what I've been reading is you fill it to 1/3, especially if your pan is not that new. Sorry. The reason is that it is not yet cured, and we've been working, as you know if you've been following my channel, we've been working on getting it cured. So that looks like an awful lot of oil for a breakfast, but that's 1/3. So we are trying to make sure that we get a decent looking, or doing our best, not make sure. Very good likelihood it won't be perfect, but we're doing our best to get a nicer looking Ebleskiver. Now we need toothpicks. We've tried other things, and we find that toothpicks are really, so far, the best thing we can have. We are looking for a more sustainable solution, but for right now, it's toothpicks, if I can find one, because I don't seem to be able to find one. So what else can I use in my kitchen? Oh, I know, I have a little fork I used last time. Okay, so can't find a toothpick, can't find a skewer. I guess I could whittle a chopstick, but I do have this little fork that sort of worked last time. So I will use that. It gets me a little close to the heat, but I will start by using that. Okay, so it has been sitting for a bit now. And this might actually be a little bit much on the batter front. Yeah, I think it's a little big on the batter. So I'm filling them up. Oopsie. Ew, and it is very fried. I'm going to back up my camera when I get a chance. Yeah, this particular scoop is a little large. Ooh, we are making a big mess. Okay, but it's looking good. Let's turn on the air and then back this off so I don't get and then now, oh, I'm going to turn this down. And I suppose we let it sit a bit. We have to let a crust form. And then I'm telling you this as I go, that I can still feel some resistance from the pan. I do like this fork, I just wish it was longer. Now if you have a non-stick Ebleskiver pan, it probably would be much better. Because ideally I should be able to do this right away. Turn it way down because by the time I get around to getting all of these fried off, it is gonna be burnt if I don't turn it down. Yeah, wow, look at that. Wow, this one's almost cooked already. Sufficiently seasoned. Wow. Wow. What a giant mess. Okay, that's better. That's a little better. Okay, that's a little better. Okay. Did I say that's a little better? That's probably going to stick more because it's not on the stove. And, oh, it is on. So there's no oil there. taking a break because I'm exhausted. Oh my gosh. I think I'm just gonna make pancakes. Gotta get me the longest skewer at least, or some toothpicks or something. There we go. That's looking good. That came across nicely. See that? Wow, super cute, super cute. It's supposed to be done at a time when the batter can still form a circle. So let's do that. Could be maybe that the pan is a little not hot enough or something, or too hot or something like that. Could be operator error. Alright, let's add a little bit more. Where did my little fork go? Okay, so there. I don't know what that's gonna look like. That's how it's looking. I'm going to turn it off for a bit. It's been about 13 minutes. And I'm pretty sure the pan's going to need a little cleaning after we're done here. So I'm just going to leave it. Somebody had suggested I put like a blueberry or two inside, which is kind of a cute idea. Let me see. Maybe I can do that. There we go. That's kind of cute. That one's going to have a lot in it. What a mess. 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 Yeah, I think that's a cute idea for next time. Man, I wonder what it must be like to put on a cooking show. Okay, that's it. I'm done. Pick your time.